They speak in riddles north beyond the Tweed, the plain, pure English they can deftly read. Yet when the book they came to speak, their lingo seems half English and half Greek. Their jaws are chafts, their hands when closed are neives, their bread's not cut in slices but in sheives. Their armpits are their oxters, palms are luifs, their men are chields, their timid fools are cuiffs. Their lads are callants and their women kimmers, good lassies denty queens and bad ones limmers. They thaw when they endure, they scarp when they scratch, and when they give a sample, it's a swatch. Scolding is flighting, and a long palaver is nothing but a blether or a haver. This room they call the butt, and this the ben, and what they do not know, they dinna ken. On keen cold days they say the wind blaws snell, and they have words that Johnson could not spell. And when they wipe their nose, they dicht their bike, and which means anything you like. While some, though purely English and well known, have yet a Scottish meaning of their own. To prig is to plead, beat down, a thing in cost, to cough is to purchase, and a cough's a host. To crack is to converse, the lift's the sky, and bairns are said to greet when children cry. When lost, folk never ask the way they want, they spear the gate, and then they yawn the gaunt. Beetle with them's a clock, a flame's a low, the straw is stray, chaff cough, and hollow how. A pickle means a few, muckle is big, and a piece of crockeryware is called a pig. That is by no way introduction to these two ladies. Speaking of pigs, when Lady Delacour, in the red hat, was on her celebrated Scottish tour, one night she made her quarters at the Crown, at the head inn of a well-known country town. The chambermaid, enlighting her to bed, before withdrawing, curtsied low and said,
"This nicht is called, my lady, would you please, to hae a pig in the bed to warm your teas."
A pig in the bed to tease? What's that you say? You are impertinent. Away, away.
Me, impudent? No, ma'am. I meant nae harm, but just the grey-beard pig to keep you warm.
Insolent hussy, to confront me so. This very instant shall your mistress know. The bell, there's none of course. Go, send her here.
My mistress, ma'am, I dinna need to fear. In sooth, it was hersel that bade me speer. Nae insult, ma'am. We thought you would be glad on this cold nicht to hae a pig in the bed.
Stay, gal, your words are strangely out of place, and yet I see no insult in your face. It is a custom in your country, then, for ladies to have pigs in bed with them.
Oh, aye, quite a custom with the gentles, ma'am. With gentle ladies, aye, and gentlemen. And troth, if single, they would sairly miss their het pig on a cold drift night like this.
I have seen strange countries, but this surely beats their rudest makeshifts for a warming pan. You would not put the pig between the sheets?
Surely, my lady, and nae other where. Please, ma'am, you'll find it to do the maist get there.
Fie, fie, but dirty them. And if I keep in fear of that, you know, I could not sleep.
You'll sleep far better, ma'am. Take my advice. The nicht blaws snell, the sheets are cold as ice. I'll fetch you up a fine, warm, cosy pig. I'll mak you sae comfortable and trig, with curtains, blankets, every kind o' hap, and warrant you to sleep as soon's a tap. As for the filing of the sheets, dear me, the pig's as clean outside as pig can be. A weel-closed mouth's enough for other folk, but if you like, I'll put it in a poke.
But Effie, that's your name, I think you said. Do you yourself now take a pig to bed?
Ah, no, ma'am. Pigs are only for the great, who lie in feather beds and sit up late. Feathers and pigs are no for pear riff-raff. Me and my neighbour lassie lie on calf.
What's that? A cough? If I censure can gather, you and the other lassie sleep together. two in a bed, and with their calf between. That, I suppose, my girl, is what you mean.
No, no, my lady. Oh, you're joking noo. We sleep together, that is very true, but nocht between us. We are clays all off, except your sacks, we lie upon the calf.
Well, well, my girl, I am surprised to hear that we of English habits live so near such barbarous customs. Effie, you may go. As for the pig, I thank you, but no, no, I'd rather be without pig and calf.
The last wee bit, on the return of Lady Delacour, she wrote a book about her northern tour, wherein the facts are graphically told that Scottish gentlefolks, when nights are cold, take into bed fat pigs to keep them warm, while common folk, who share their beds in halves, denied the richer comforts of the farm, can only warm their sheets with lean, cheap calves. Anyway, that's just Anne there with the Panloaf accent. You wouldn't believe it when you hear her in the pub. That was Anne with the Panloaf accent, and Jenny from Morningside, or she'll explain to you later on, it's actually Morningside, who was the maid there.